what's up? It's me, Marchims, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about all of the products that I've been in love in the whole year of 2018. So basically, eto mababanggit ko na mga products sa inyo. Eto yung mga nag-work sa akin in the whole year of 2018. So I know this video probably magre-result ng very long video. So wag na natin patagalin to. Without further ado, let's just get started. Woo! So, bali, ang flow neto is let us start for the base or the same thing how I did yung mga ginagawa akong tutorial. Kaya, ayun. Ganun na lang yung magiging flow natin. But before that, guys, meron muna akong i-mention sa inyo na tawag dito. Skincare product, which is yun nga, hindi ko dala dito kasi naubusan na ako ng stock. So, bali, magpe-present lang ako ng picture dito. Ayan. Ayan yung Snowy Toner Minimizer Pores or Snow Tomato Toner for Pore Minimizer. So, na-discover ko lang siya noong first week of January in 2018. Tapos, when I tried it, sobrang hindi lang siya nakakapag-minimize ng pores, nakakapag-remove or nakakapag-dry up na rin siya ng pimples, which is I really like. Kasi, in that period of month, nagkaroon ako ng breakout. So, yung product na yun is nakatulong to dry up my pimples. Naging go-to skincare product ko siya. So, nakailang bottle na ako dyan. I think mga nakalima na or more than pa. So, ayun. Patuloy ko pa rin siya binibili. And actually, I'm planning to buy or to repurchase once again kasi it's work on my skin very well. So, ayun. Yun lang naman yung skincare products na i-mention ko sa'yo. Kasi diba nga, hindi pa ako ganun ka like totally focused in the skincare products. But, I wish na upcoming months makapaggawa na ako ng skincare related video. So for the foundation guys, I only have this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Ayan. Ayan siya. And I know a lot of YouTubers are really raving this product because alam naman natin it's very affordable and it's very good quality, most especially if you are looking for a good coverage foundation. Hindi siya totally dry up. So if you have a dry skin like other people have, hindi siya katulad ng ibang foundation na nag-emphasize ng dry patches. Pero eto pa rin, nagbibigay pa rin siya ng soft glow on your skin. So etong foundation na to, sobrang perfect siya sa akin kasi I have a dry combination skin. So, at saka guys, very long wearing na itong foundation na ito. Kung sasaba ka sa gera and if you really need a foundation that lasts long on your skin, I highly suggested this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Bali, ang shade ko nga pala dito is 104 or Golden Beige, ganun. Next is, this one is No Feel Facial Spray. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Pero nag-aano kasi siya sa lights natin. Pero eto siya. This is a facial spray that made in India. I didn't know kung available pa siya locally, pero made in India siya. Pero what I really like in this facial spray, it's very flexible. Pero sobrang flexible na itong facial spray na to the point na pwede ko siyang gamitin na as a makeup remover. So, saan ka makakita ng ganun? Pero, yun nga, nang nabanggit ko sa inyo, pwede mo siyang gamitin as makeup remover. So, pwede niyang ma-remove kasi mga makeup nyo. So, kailangan konting-konti lang sa pag-i-spray nito. However, guys, what I really like in this facial spray is very hydrating siya. So, if you really need to, you know, parang wisikan mo yung face mo para ma-remove yung mga powdery or powder excess dun sa makeup mo, you can use this facial spray para ma-achieve mo yung glowy and dewy skin look. If you're guys following me for quite some times, I know hindi na to bago sa inyo kasi I used this on my very previous video. Actually, mga una-una ko pang video. Pero, eto siya, muling nagbabalik mga kapuso. This is the Fashion 21 Loose Powder. Actually, what I really like in this powder, sobrang pino niya. Pero not totally very pino siya na to the point na parang high-end levels. Pero, yun nga, medyo mas pino siya compared dun sa Nichido Final Powder. At saka, sobrang tipid na itong gamitin. Kasi, actually, nabili ko na siya mga month of June or July. Pero, kita nyo naman guys, parang puno pa rin siya. And, to the point na lagi ko tong ginagamit to set my makeup on place. So, ayun. Parang nakakashook lang kasi affordable neto. Hindi pa to umaabot ng 200 and above or 200 plus. Pero, sobrang affordable neto kasi, ewan ko, maybe it's a local product. Pero kahit na local siya, it's very worth it na gamitin. Saka, it really set your makeup or your base on place talaga. So, ayun, kaya love na love ko to kasi nga sobrang siya. Tawag dito, sobrang pack siya gamitin. Nakatipid ka na, bongga pa yung result na pwedeng kalabasan ng makeup mo. So, if you're guys looking for something new, or kung sawa na kayo sa Nichido Final Powder, try this Fashion 21 Loose Powder. Ang nakakalungkot nga na ito guys, konti lang yung mga vloggers na nagre-rave dito sa product na to. I didn't know kung favorite din to ni Amalia G, pero na-mention niya rin tong product na to, kaya yun. Try nyo guys kung mag-work to, pero actually guys, pag nag-work to sa skin nyo, promise, sobrang sulit at magtatagal na sa inyo to forever. Not totally forever, pero I'll make it sure na it's more than 3 months nyo siya magagamitin kahit araw-araw nyo siyang gamitin. For contour product guys, eto, alam kong sikat din to locally and marami na ring local YouTubers on nag-rave na itong product na to. This is the Detail Makeover Contour Blush Palette. 4-in-1 palette siya guys. 4-in-1. In this palette includes soft contour, bronze, blush, and highlight. Kung nagtataka kayo na 4 lang siya, first nagkakamali kayo dahil meron siyang 6 na color na kalakip dito sa palette na ito. So ayan guys, 2 pang contour, meron na siyang bronze, meron na siyang highlight at 2 blush. Actually guys, dito sa palette na ito, ni isa walang tapon kasi all of this product I use it most of the time. Kaya masasabi ko na sobrang sulit mo itong mabibili, and this is one of the best local product na nagawa. I think so. Kaya yon. If you're guys using the same product, let me know. Just comment down below in the comment section. Hindi naman nakita. Pero ayun nga guys. Sobrang affordable na ito guys. Promise. Hindi kayo magsisisi when you purchase this palette. So after the contour palette, now let us move on for the concealer. And oh my god, finally dumating na yung Dasem Cosmetic Skincare. Basta yon. Basta Dasem siya. Siya, Korean Cosmetics Chuchu na ine-endorse ng 17. And actually guys, eto yung sobrang tagal ko na to hinihintay. Sobrang gusto ko na itong bilhin. This is the Dasem Cover Perfection Pot Concealer. Ayan. If you guys remember, I'm using the Dasem Cover Perfection Liquid Concealer. So, eto naman yung pot concealer or cream type nila. Actually guys, nakita ko to nung kay Pony Makeup when she used it. Tapos, nung ginamit niya, sobrang napahanga ako kasi it covers her under eye very well. So, naintriga ako kaya binili ko siya, and nung nabili ko siya, hindi naman niya ako na-feel kasi it covers my under eye very well. At saka guys, gamit ko siya ngayon, kaya ayan. Kaya kitang-kita nyo naman na totally kinover niya yung under eye ko. What I really like in this pot concealer, very blendable siya, not like other cream type na sobrang hirap i-blend. Ito sobrang blendable. However, the downside of this one is the packaging kasi ang hirap niyang gamitin. You cannot use it without using a brush or other ones. So, ang hindi naman siya hygienic kung gagamitan mo lang siya ng fingers. So, pwede pa siya makontaminate. Or I highly suggest na gumamit ka na lang ng mga separate brush para mas makuha mo yung product at ma-enjoy mo tong product na to. So another detail makeover, this one is the Autumn Eyeshadow palette nila, and this eyeshadow contains of 15 color eyeshadow. I know guys na nakita nyo na to several times on this channel kasi ilang beses ko na siyang ginamit sa mga makeup tutorial ko. Pero guys, kahit ganon, hindi pa rin ako nagsasawang gamitin na to kasi lahat ng colors na nakalakip dito sa palette na to is very beginners friendly. At saka yung pagiging warm niya, hindi exaggerate or OA kasi kahit iba dito, totally warm shade, you can use it for natural looking or everyday makeup. Saka guys, yung mga gusto ko dito is yung mga shimmery eyeshadow kasi sobrang pigmented. So if you're going to use the shimmery eyeshadow, I highly suggest to use a finger instead of brush kasi mas lalabas yung pigment niya. So ayun nga guys, isa to sa mga naging favorite ko kasi it has a good quality even though it's made locally, at saka marami kang pagpipilian neto. And if you are new in makeup, I highly recommend this eyeshadow to play it kasi sobrang basic lang ng mga color. However, you can use a lot of looks by using this palette. At saka for sure matututo ka to make a good transition or make a good color eyelid if you're using this palette. Medyo may kamahalan siya, like 699 or 799, pero doon sa price na yon, sobrang worth it na siya kung ganun kaganda yung quality ng product na mabibigay niya sa'yo or sa look na ina-achieve mo. For the eyeliner, I have two eyeliner. This one is the Tony Moly Gel Eyeliner in the shade of Pearl Black. This eyeliner, hindi siya yung matte black or totally black. Meron siyang sheen or glittery style or glittery effect in this gel eyeliner. Pero sobrang blendable niya gamitin. Sobrang easy niya gamitin. So if you're achieving a parang shining, shimmering eyeliner, eto, I highly suggest this Tony Moly Gel Eyeliner. At saka guys, sobrang ganda ng packaging niya. Sobrang sleek. And most of the time, nakikita ko lang to sa mga Korean vloggers like Eddie, Joan Kim, Pony Makeup. Ayan, sila yung most of the time na gumagamit ng ganitong gel eyeliner. At saka guys, sobrang dali lang niya gamitin. So, di ka paggamay sa paggamit ng mga gel eyeliner. Eto, pwede mo siyang gamitin. At saka meron na siyang kasamang wand, so hindi ka na bibili pa ng separate eyeliner or gel liner brush to use this product. So, yung isang eyeliner naman, this is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Black Eyeliner. Tama ba? In this eyeliner naman guys, felt tip siya. So, ayan. Maganda dito is sobrang sharp nung brush niya. So, it's easy to you to make a cat eye look by using this eyeliner. At saka guys, sobrang dali lang niya gamitin. Sobrang matte black. At saka, di siya yung nag-i-smudge agad. And actually guys, I'm using it today. Ayan o. And I think guys, in the year 2018 is the year that I explore in a lip product. Kasi parang mas marami pa yung lip product na na-purchase ko or maitatampok sa inyo compare sa last year na tinampok sa inyo na puro iba-iba, may mga powders, may eyeshadow or anything else, pero yung lip product doon sobrang onti lang. However, in this year, sobrang daming lip product, parang almost 2 to 3 lip product that I will showcase to you. The first one, this is the non-stop lip product that I'm using. This is the Detail Makeover Matte in Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rhea or D10. Ganyan yung kulay guys, and I know napapansin nyo always into a nude shade, peachy or pinkish because hindi bumabagay sa akin yung red. Kaya yon, eto yung nagustuhan ko dito. And yun nga, ang maganda kasi dito, parang freshy lang siya, parang nude, parang like sobrang soft lang nung look na nagagawa neto. However guys, ang minsan ang disadvantage by using this shade kasi minsan nagmumukha ka maputla. Kaya ayon, iwas-iwasan natin kapalan yung paggamit neto, or it's good to mix with other lip product para mas maganda yung combination, mas maganda yung kalabasan. So ayun. Pero guys, I'm also using this alone. Ang ginagawa ko na lang, nagtatap ako ng lip gloss para mag-shine out yung shade. Next one, eto guys, eto, kaka-discover ko lang siya. Kaya ako to na-discover kasi in-introduce lang siya sa akin ng mga friend kong makeup artist. This one is the Suesh Create Your Own Palette Lip Product. Ayan, meron akong 3 shade na meron dito. I have LC287 na which is very bright red. Ayan. Meron din naman akong LC387 which is eto, mild red na scarlet tone, ganon. And last one is my favorite, which is I really into. Ano nga guys, what I mentioned lately, this is the LC17 or kind of nude shade. Nung first time na ginamit ko to, actually hindi ko siya nagustuhan kasi parang ang dali lang niya mabura kasi hindi naman siya matte at saka parang hindi naman siya nagiiwan ng pigment. However guys, pag ginamit nyo to, kailangan sobrang onti lang ng gamit para magstay siya sa lip nyo. So, onting-onti lang yung paggamit na itong mga lip palette na to para mag-stay siya sa lips mo para hindi na rin, para maiwasan na rin natin yung excess product para hindi siya ganun kasayang. Kaya guys, if you're using this one, konting-konti lang at hinay-hinay lang sa paggamit. Pero I really like this kasi ang lakas niya maka-pro. Parang ayun, you can create your own palette or lip palette by using this one. Kaya yun. If you have a magnetic palette, pwede nyo siyang tanggalin lang dito sa case. Ayan. Tatanggalin nyo lang siya and pwede nyo siya idikit since magnetic naman to. And last one guys, eto, alam kong napapansin nyo na ginagamit ko na rin to. And this one, napanalunan ko kay Mark Ferreras. She is a YouTuber from Australia. This one is the Sephora Lip Gloss. Actually guys, doon sa box na napanalunan ko, meron lang akong 3 shade na sobrang favorite. Actually, I really like them, pero ito talaga yung mga shades na ginagamit ko most of the time. And most of this is very dark shade kasi feeling ko kasi every time I use it, parang nag-a-act lang siya as a lip tint. So, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy sa lips. This one is the Holiday Berry. Medyo scarlet siya. Not totally scarlet, pero maroonish siya. Next one is this soft red. Ayan, orangey red. Pero maganda siya pag nilagay mo sa lips. Para kasi siya nagmumukhang K&JM lip tint. At saka hindi siya ganun ka-shock red. And lastly, if you're achieving for a glam look, if you're achieving like totally pakak na look, eto yung masasuggest ko. This is the Berry Jump shade. Kaya ako nasabing very glam look etong lip product na to kasi meron siyang parang sheen na bibigay or glittery effect. Kaya sobrang gandang gamitin neto on your lips. Kaya if you're achieving for a glam look, etong Berry Jump na shade na eto. And actually guys, sobrang sarap gamitin nito kasi if you are using any lipstick or lip product na matte, pwede nyo siyang ipatong or di naman niya masisira yung ginamit nyo underneath at mas mapapaganda pa niya yung look ng lips nyo afterwards. And oo nga guys, before I end this video, meron nga pala akong fashion 2018 fashion favorite version ng ganitong segment na to. So, stay tuned guys. Ayun. So, sana sipagin ako gawin yun. Pero, I'm very interested na magawa yun kasi it's a kind of new segment in this channel. So, ayun. Sana abangan nyo for 2018 fashion favorites. Ayan. So, ayun nga guys, sana nakatulong tong video na to, most especially sa inyo na makeup lover like me. So, if you like it, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget guys to follow to all of my social media accounts para always updated kayo. So, see you guys on my next video and always don't forget that only love, no hate. Bye-bye!